It's 7:15 in the morning. I've been hitting snooze for half an hour, but now I have to get up. I've got to get to the boat in an hour. And I've noticed that if I hold the phone here in this particular angle and kind of this close, it distorts me. I look like a really old man, old and wizened man. If I had a little wispy beard, I could be Ho Chi Minh. Now I just look like that really old man on the TV. It's alright if I go over like that, it's a bit better. But I still look old. Time to get some breakfast. It's a nice little place, this. I do like it. Look, we got lots of flowers. They put some of those flowers on our bed yesterday. Very nice. So here we go. I'm having a few Arab pastries. They make lovely pastries in this country. It's not the sort of thing I'd normally have for breakfast, but needs must, because everything else looks absolutely vile. But I can manage this. Just can't drink the coffee here though either. It's a bummer, really. So what are you gone for then? What are you gone for? What is this?
Well, I went and got a bit of cheese from the buffet, from the bit over there. We've got a cheese and tomato omelette with aubergine and a bit of sweet potato. Getting my veggie fix for the day.
Yeah. Good luck to you.
Yeah.
That was grim. Just chilling out, Nama Bay Jetty. Waiting for everyone to arrive so we can get onto our boat, which is the one closest to us there. Empress Sheikh.
come to the Bluestone, which is opposite the Nero Cafe and a big shopping centre. We've got our Sakara Gold beer, which is actually a really nice lager, and I'm not a lager fan. Al's gone for traditional Egyptian food.
Yep.
Of the
Bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Beef bacon
Cheeseburger with beef bacon.
Very nice topping on the salad, which I'm eating separately.
Yeah, she just made me eat some cucumber, and that was lush.
Yeah.
That was sort of like a salty chili. Yeah, I'll try that.
It's really nice. I think these are my.
Oh, I do like tomato.
I think these are my onion rings.
It's your onion rings. I'm disgusted that you went for something so un-Egyptian. Why you didn't go for traditional Egyptian food?
Are you?
Like me. So I've gone for the pepperoni pizza. It's like £6.50, which is brilliant. And what was yours? How much was yours? About the same, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And that's a big burger. You couldn't eat that with your hand in one bite. It's cool. Let's crack on. Through the nose, try it through the nose.
The hose.
Oh yeah. Vibrating hose. Through the nose, just breathe through your nose. Very good, you've done it, you've done it. We have struggled, haven't we, to get a shisha. We've struggled. Since coronavirus, you're allowed to do shisha. So you're not seeing it on the street, the price has gone up. It's difficult to find. The only people who've offered it so far said, come sit in our store cupboard on top of the Hoover. It's like,
While we throw out the chef who's having his break.
yeah, chef, get outside. You, sit on Hoover. Right now, man. So we got our shisha. This is nice. Bong, said somebody.
It's a nice flavour.
It is, isn't it?